Time to clean Lewis's cage. Yep, we're scrubbing. We're scrubbing. Got all the sides clean. Got all the dogs chilling. Izzy's in the office. Lewis, what you doing? Huh? We're just scrubbing. We're just scrubbing, aren't we? So, yep, Mom's got to clean my cage. Oh my goodness. We're getting her. She's supposed to be hanging out on top of the perch there, but no. She's cruising around, aren't you? What you doing? Mom cleaning your cage? Scrubbing her? Yeah. Such a pretty bird. Go run in the tub again. Wash your feet again today once we're done making your home a bath.